and a very good morning to all of you. Today is our activity, that is outdoor activity, in which our renowned speaker Riyaz NAdvi is going to talk about our water storage. And we can't imagine the life without the water. So we need water, and we have to store it, we have to save it for our daily routine. So now we are going to listen in detail about the water storage, the resources of water, how to use it, how to save it. So now I'm calling Riyaz NAdvi to talk about the water storage.
Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all doing today? It's really wonderful. I am Muhammad Riyaz. I am an alim with the name of Allah, the most kind and the most merciful. Today's activity out of the class. My beloved brothers and my viewers. Today we will talk about water storage and its importance. We will tell you about it by giving examples. Water storage is a crucial aspect of our daily lives. It's essential for fulfilling our basic needs, like drinking, washing, cooking, industrial use, firefighting, hygiene, and so on. Without water, we can't survive our life. Without water, people will cause many diseases because of unhygienic. Yet so many places in all of India face water secure facilities. So we should store water for several needs like emergency supply, serving as a backup water source during emergencies or water shortages. It will collect rainwater, it will reduce flood risk, it will irrigate crops, and it will support economy's development. Young ones, listen carefully. Water storage examples. Let's prioritize water storage infrastructure like reservoirs, tanks, wells, rivers, and dams. Together we can ensure a water secure future for all. Now let's talk about its uses and its benefits. Where to use its water? First of all, we will filter it, and then we will use it for drinking, for cooking, for washing, for bathing, and so on. And we will use it to irrigate the fields of grapes and papaya and mango trees and etc. We can use for many purposes. I conclude my speech thanking you all for listening to me patiently. Thank you so much and have a nice day.